Hello, my name is Dr. Erivelton Nepomuceno, or simply Dr. Nepomuceno. I'm from Brazil, and I'm going to deliver this course for you, Computer Arithmetic for Complex Networks, in this month of October, November, and December. And I hope that you can enjoy what I'm going to deliver, and I hope that it's going to be useful for you. Alright? So in this first chapter, I'd like to give just an introduction and how this course is going to work. The content of the course is based on a brief introduction, mathematical analysis, number representation. We are going to deliver a general overview of IEEE 754 standard, and we are going to discuss some concepts of complex networks, and in the end of the topic I'm going to present two of my papers in the advanced topics. Right? So the reference that we are going to use, first of all, Principles of Mathematical Analysis from Rudin. It's a very good book. It's a very deep, I would say, but it's very important because some of our approach we are going to need a very strong mathematical background. After that, we are going to use PAHAM, Computer Arithmetic Algorithm and Hardware Architectures from Oxford University. It's a well-known book on computer arithmetics, and one of the key aspects of this book is that Dr. PAHAM used to deliver many of the slides, a lot of background material, so I'm sure that you are going to enjoy the material that you can find on the net about this book. And second, a book of Erivelton is a very nice guy from United States, on numeric computing with IEEE. So instead of looking directly towards the IEEE standard, I would recommend to take a look in this book because it's quite nice. It's very simple, but it's very useful. And we are going to at some points to discuss a bit of interval analysis. I do like this subject. Moore started to, and colleagues started to think about that in the 60s and 70s, and now it's a very useful way to understand what's going on when you are doing some stuff, some computer simulation in a computer. And in the end, the last chapter of our content is about complex networks. Victor Latorre, Nicosia, and G. Russo. So they wrote as a very recent book, Complex Networks, so it's quite nice. It has a lot of material as well in the internet. And the assessment is going to be 30 points in activities. Some activities I'd like to ask you to deliver in around 1 week, 2 weeks each, and the average of each activity is going to give you 30 points at the end of the course. And in the end of the course, I'd like to ask you to deliver a team paper, so you can do in 2, 3, or 4 students. It depends on how many students you are going to receive, so it's quite nice. So in this situation, I hope that you can deliver a nice work. I hope that you can do a good job because it is going to take 70% of the points, right? So the platform that you're going to use, Google Classroom, slides. All the slides are already. The recorded classes are going to deliver weekly. Individual talks, if you need, I can make an arrangement with all the students. So just drop an email to me. That it would be my pleasure to receive. You can make an arrangement to talk about the course. In a final seminar, conference or journal paper plus 10 minutes of seminar. This is going to depend of how many students and of how many papers, if you are going to make a seminar, or it depends of how many students, but you are going, I can ask you, for example, to make a record of your paper, 5 or 10 minutes in a video about your paper, right? So that's it. The programs that you are going to use is basically three languages: Python, MATLAB, and Octave. Those are links that you can get for free. The Python and the Octave, and the MATLAB is a is a private language, so you should buy it. But I'm sure that with Python and Octave you can do almost anything of my course. Alright? So again, it's going to be a great pleasure for me to deliver this course. I'd like to say thank you to Dr. Denis Bustov and Dr. Valery, because it was a quite nice pleasure to meet in Russia last year, and now I'm going here to deliver this course. So again, thanks so much for taking part in this course, and I hope that I can improve at least a little bit your capacity to analyze things about computer arithmetics. Alright? Thanks so much.